I went searching for replacement map pockets for my Hobie. Dang, those things are expensive. Well, I made my own. I took the mesh from an old trampoline that was getting thrown away, laid it on my frame, snapped the back together, cut off the excess. There you go. If you happen to have a trampoline with one of these mesh things going around it, or somebody throwing one away, that's what I used to make my mesh pockets. I just use the edge of it. I mean, I need to trim this little junk off of here, but now I've got me a mesh pocket. Another thing you could do to make this feel like the rubberized is get you some of that Flex Seal or just some of that waterproofing spray. Spray some of that on it, and there you go. Hobie mesh pockets. Save you the 20. Well, a pair of these is about $50 if you buy them from Hobie. So these are my DIY mesh pockets. They work. I mean, they don't have any. I didn't put any elastic inside of them, but I don't care. It's just to hold your stuff from flying out. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.